I've been thinking a lot lately about different kinds of fitness. Of course, we have the physical fitness that we grew up with, the idea that we had to do PE, physical education in school, to educate our minds so that we would then maintain the fitness of our bodies, take care of them. That was the idea behind those annoying classes. We were being educated on what it would take to be healthy and to be mobile and to be able to be active and pursue our wishes and our obligations in our lives in terms of our physicality. Well, there's another kind of fitness that you know, which is mental fitness. But there's another kind that I'm thinking the most about lately, of course, as a result of the pandemic, but my mind isn't there. It's now, it's here. And that is social fitness. And this morning I went to the gym to take care of my physical fitness, and I ran into somebody whom I adore. He's 90, he was on a treadmill, and we got talking, and he was there doing what he does, taking care of a part of himself. And then after that conversation with him early this morning, I got to the synagogue, and there he was again on my screen with about 28 other people for a Zoom-based book club. And then an hour or so later, I see that he's coming into the synagogue for an in-person class on Jewish mysticism. So he's expanding his mind and his muscles, and he's attending to his social fitness, which is what happens when we come in contact with other people that does not happen in any other realm of our lives. Reading about people in books doesn't give us social fitness. Seeing people on television with whom we don't have a relationship does nothing for our social fitness. But being where we can bump into people, smell people in the truest sense, subtly as we do as animals, as human beings as well, but just to be in proximity to one another, to learn from each other, to be accountable, to hear stories, to know that we are present for each other and accountable to each other and matter to each other, that we're seen, the most basic human need. That's at the core of one of the core truths about good health, well-being, good brain health, and longevity, and that is social fitness.